Welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. Tonight we're making my almost famous Jamaican curry salmon. Alright, wasting no time, we're going to get right to it. This is 1 pound of salmon, Atlantic salmon. We're going to sprinkle both sides with some salt. And then we're going to use the Blue Mountain hot Jamaican curry powder. We're going to sprinkle that on both sides, of course. You want to make sure your salmon fillet is evenly coated in the curry. You can make sure you watch my other curry shrimp recipe too while you're at it. So that way you have both under your belt, curry shrimp and the curry salmon. All right, so we're going to go ahead and make sure the salmon fillet is evenly coated in the curry. And should look like that, both sides. All right, nice curried salmon. All right, so now we're going to boil some potatoes. I think this is, you can do the potatoes. You don't have to do the potatoes. This is one Yukon Gold potato that I just diced up. So we can boil those, set them to the side. And then we're going to get ready to make our salmon. So you want to make sure you get enough oil in the pot to cover the bottom. Sprinkle some curry into the oil. And then once everything's heated up, we want to go ahead and add our vegetables. All right, recipe will definitely be in the link. It's actually the same as the curry shrimp, real easy. The only thing you're doing is just using salmon, same exact recipe. All right, so once everything is inside the pot, you want your vegetables to cook down first because, again, salmon cooks very fast. So here I just added some garlic. Then we're just going to add a little bit more salt. Then we're going to add some cracked black pepper. Not too much, just a little sprinkle here, a little sprinkle there. And thyme. No, I'm always pressed for time. So if you're pressed for time, use your time. Use your time wisely. Or any other corny time jokes that I can think of. All right, so once the thyme is in, we're going to add some allspice. I'm just doing probably about 3-4 little berries. Throw those in there. All right. So everything's in. And we're just going to go ahead and let this cook down. And we're just going to start stirring everything and let everything break down. So once your vegetables start to soften up, they will look like that. And at that point, you know it's ready time for the salmon to go in. Another important thing is too, you can keep your pot once you add the salmon. At this point, you can turn the pot down to like a low medium because you don't want your salmon to cook super fast and dry out. Nobody likes dry salmon. If you like dry salmon, you're just not a foodie. All right, so you add the salmon. I'm going to throw some sauce over the top. I think they call this basting. And then from here, put the top on. Keep your pot on low medium. Then once it's cooked, it's going to look like that. You can throw your potatoes in and then plate it up. There you have curry salmon, jasmine rice. Put some sweet plantains on the side. You got a meal. Remember to hit the like, subscribe button, notification button so I'll come looking for you. You don't have to come looking for me. It's What the Fork.